Welcome back to the DigiLink channel. Today I want to show you the top 5 AI tools. It is very difficult to find free AI video generation tools these days, as AI video models keep getting better and better. At the same time, however, they are paid and increasingly difficult to use for free. But today, I have a list of free AI video tools that you can use without restrictions. So let's get straight to the video. The number one tool on our list is Meta AI, probably the best free option. As you can see, we have two different options. You can create images and generate videos at the same time. Click Create Video and give the program a command or upload an image from your device. As soon as you give a simple command, it starts generating. Here are the results, and in my opinion, they are decent. Here are a few more examples. The video is short, but the movements are very good. You can also adjust the video. So we have the robot style and a few other styles. When I click the browse function, I see a complete list of styles with which you can create and edit your videos. You can even handle music and add your videos. So you get this for free? Then we have Qwen AI. This is the website interface. You just have to log in. To use this tool, click Try Qwen Studio, and then this interface will appear. If I click on the plus icon, I see that we have the option to create images and videos. If I click on the section Video, I can select the aspect ratio here. This uses the Qwen 3.7 model. In case you're wondering which model it is, you can upload images from your own device, you can use it for image to video, and even text to video. Video generation is a bit slow here, but the results are really good, especially considering that this tool is free. These are a few videos that you have on your screen, and all these videos were generated with Qwen 3.7, and they are all very good, especially considering that this tool is free. Then we have Wan AI. Both tools come from the same family, but they are different. The current model is Wan 2.7, and it is very good at generating videos. You can also switch between the models here. You can adjust the quality. You can change the duration, but in the free version, you only get 5 seconds. You also get free credits every day. If you log in daily, you get 10 credits. But you don't necessarily need those credits to generate videos. Here, you even have the option to upload your own audio. You can use the first and last frame feature, which is a very useful feature for a free tool, and this tool is very slow. You have to be patient because the videos take a long time to generate. But this tool is unlimited, so you can generate unlimited videos. Then we have LM Arena, which is now called Arena.ai. This is everyone's favorite because when it comes to free models, this AI tool is the best. To use this, we click on the video section. Unfortunately, there is no option to switch between the models. You just have to give a prompt, and then a video will start randomly generating. I don't know exactly which model is used in the background. There will be one comparison made between two different models. But here is the result. If you're playing this, the result is quite nice. Not bad, we have audio too. The movements are really good. Not impressive, but certainly not bad. You also see the LM Arena watermark at the end, but that is not disturbing. You can use the entire video. And now it's time for our final surprise, ByteDance. This is the ByteDance platform, officially from ByteDance. You see a few models here, CDance 2.0, but don't be confused. You will see a button for paid purchases here. Scroll down a bit and you'll see a few models, CDance 2.0 and CDance 2.0 quickly. If I click on this arrow, you will be redirected to the next page. You'll see a pricing option, but don't worry. We simply click Start and are redirected to another page. If I go to the playground on this, click. We are now in the playground, and through this drop-down menu, you can switch between the models. CDance 2.0 is unfortunately not available for free here, but you can use CDance 1.5 Pro, CDance 1, CDance 1 Pro, and a few other free models. For example, if I click on one of those models like text to video, and I scroll down, I see that we have 2 million free credits in one account. And if you want to generate a video here, the impressive thing is that you can create 12-second videos and even 4 videos at the same time without restrictions. Another impressive thing is the 1080p video quality. These are some results from this model, and I find them really impressive. especially considering it's free. Of course, you can't have the same level as Expect ByteDance 2.0, but if you can use something for free, I love these results. I'm working on getting free access to ByteDance 2.0. If I've tested that workflow and it works, I'll upload a video about it. So this was a list of free AI tools for generating videos. I hope you liked this video, and if so, please give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next video.